There's something more about this Lammis past. What Lammis past? The Lammis past was really good for my sister.
What about her, Lammy? It's past. I don't know, maybe. It was just like how he met me, just in case.
So, talk about Lammis past. When we were childhoods, I don't believe this vending machine will work. So I get this new vending machine since I'm alone. What? You see here? That's what I remembered when I was in July. Hmm. It looks really good, isn't it? Yep. And I also wanted to make sure Voxel will be protective of me, making a barrier for me just to punch out those brown lines and crocodile lines. And I got passed out because Voxel wants to protect me, but he fell down to the hole. But wasn't just real. I'm just about time for us to get to summer vacation too.
Hmm. So they're talking about me.
So, you okay? I'm okay. So when I was so when I met Boxo, he used to talk whenever he was a vending machine. He talks like congratulations and sorry just say no. Congratulations say yes and sorry was meaning no. So when I came to him, I really don't know what to say. I got from my past and I wonder if I can just deal with Boxo.
Changing my forms again.
Oh, Boxo? Did you make your coffee yourself? Congratulations. Hmm. Okay. What are we talking about? Coffee. He's making coffee. Hmm. Don't touch it whenever he's done, okay? Say, that floating one is really good. Oh, mm, it's so good. Boxo, thank you very much. You didn't say anything whenever I said when you said you're welcome. See you next time. Hmm? You said you're welcome. Eh, you're right. So what do we do for our Christmas dance? We have to go to Christmas dance with the Lemmy. Hmm? Is the Lemmy coming with us? Nope. Oh. Hey, what you doing? Domina, we're just talking about my past. Your past, huh? Hmm. The Lemmy's past and my past. Oh. So that's why we just talk about this November. What's that? You know about Thanksgiving in USA? Hmm? Right now it's gonna be in tuxedo. Hmm? Well, I wear my dress. Well, you wear your warrior dress, don't you? Yes, I do, Domina. And I also wear my dress too. You also wear your warrior dress too. Hmm. Can we think about something? Yeah. Okay. It looks like it's time.